everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 hacks using lavender essential oil, and I hope these will be helpful to you. Now before we start the video, I want you guys to understand that whenever you're using something new, especially something like essential oil which are highly concentrated, it's very important for you to understand whether it will suit you or not, and it's extremely important to do a patch test for it. Now at times I know I've seen people really confused about how to do a patch test. So all you have to do, especially in case of essential oils, take a few drops of essential oil into your general carrier oil, coconut oil or olive oil, whatever suits you basically, and then put it over here, on your elbow. The skin here is as sensitive as your face, so it will react in a similar fashion. So keep the mixture over there for half an hour, and in case your skin reacts to it, it gets irritated or it gets red, then you should not be using that particular essential oil. But if it's normal and it doesn't react, then you're good to go and you can put that on your face or hair or whatever. So yeah, that was all about the patch test, and let's quickly start with the hacks. Alright guys, so the essential oil that I'm using today is from Ilansa, and it's 100% pure and natural. They also have other variants of essential oils, and this is how they come. Now they come in a regular dark glass bottle packaging with the regular nozzle and cap, but the good thing is that they also send you separate droppers, so it's really convenient to put to use. So yeah, that's pretty much about the packaging. Now let's start with the hacks. So the hack number 1 would be to add or basically mix a drop of essential oil with your moisturizer and give yourself a really good luxurious massage. Now lavender essential oil helps in balancing the pH balance of your skin, and it also helps in fighting pigmentation, gives you a really good moisture level, and gives your skin a beautiful glow. So make sure that you give yourself a really good massage, and if you can add this to your night cream, I think it would do wonders. You can see the glow that I have right now. Hack number 2. Basically all you have to do is take a drop of essential oil or 2 in your hand, and then using a Q-tip just do spot treatment on your acne. And I am not kidding guys, the next day when I woke up, my acne, my little acne that I had for my forehead were literally subdued, and they were not active anymore. Now the third hack is basically to make your very own primer water or makeup setting spray. Now this thing is actually 2-in-1. All you need to do is take some rose water in a bottle and add some aloe vera gel if you have, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Mix it really well and make sure that the spray that you're using is really good, and then just pat it into your skin and give yourself a good massage. You can use this as a toner as well. You can use this under your makeup and over your makeup as you wish, and this is just perfect. I absolutely love it. I have been using it continuously ever since I made it, and I just love the effects of it on my skin. Now hack number 4. All you have to do is take some drops of essential oil on your fingers and then rub them on your pulse points so that it can act as a natural perfume. And mind you guys, once you do that, the fragrance is going to last for a really long time. The 5th hack is actually medicinal. So all you have to do is take a couple of drops and give yourself a really good massage on your temples, and your headache will disappear. The 6th hack is also medicinal. All you have to do is, if you are suffering from cold, just take a couple of drops on your handkerchief and start sniffing the lavender essential oil, and it will help you, get rid of cold. You can also add a couple of drops to your steamer and take steam. So hack number 7 is basically to give yourself a really good hot hair oil massage. Just add some few drops to your regular carrier oil and give yourself a really good massage. So that was all for this video guys. I hope it would be helpful for you. I will see you very soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you guys very much.